Welcome Math 100 students to the online Math 100 course. Let's get started by navigating through the course so you can see what are the most important tabs you need to be mindful of, and also just to get a good look at what the course has to offer. So the first thing I want you to be mindful of is the Start Here tab. So that's probably one of the first things you need to do, start here. And once you click on that, you will have some videos that you should watch. Of course, welcome to the Math 100 online video. Also, there are some required downloads, the syllabus video, and a plethora of other items you might want to go through, like the online code of conduct, discussion board rules, submitting assignments, viewing grades, and changing your password, ProctorU requirements, email, e-college requirements, and restrictions. So that's important that you go through those videos. Or another important tab is the weekly assignments tab. Very important that you go to the weekly assignments tab at least 2 or 3 times a week, because you want to keep up with your assignments. Notice that the assignments are set as units. So unit 1 refers to week 1 of the course, and you'll see dates here that you will see those assignments and that you will need to complete those assignments. So all of your unit assignments should be completed by each Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. So let's click on that so you can see what's in that folder. So for example, you will go through the Unit 1 to-do list. So it might be a good idea to copy and paste this to a Word document and check off the items on this list. For example, the first thing you should do is complete the required steps under the Start Here button. These steps cover system downloads, etc. All right. Also, you want to make sure that you post your bio to the Unit 1 discussion board. In this online course, you would need to complete your discussion board early in the week, because I use your completed discussion board as attendance for the week. So for fall and spring semesters, you will need to complete that discussion board by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. because I submit attendance on Friday. So you will need to get it done Thursday night, by Thursday night, each week. So in order to be marked present for the week, please complete your discussion boards every week by Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. Now, all of your assignments are due on Sunday, but if you want to be marked present, please complete your discussion board by what day and what time? Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Now, are you penalized if you don't complete your discussion board by that time? No. As long as you get it in by Sunday, you're okay, but you will be marked absent. And sometimes some people are penalized financially for that. So if you don't worry about that, you don't have anything to worry as it relates to Pell and making sure you're present, then you're okay. You're just fine. And then of course there are some other steps you need to take, and again, just copy and paste these items, check them off as you go. So as you can see, Unit 1 is set up as a module, and you'll go through each tab. Very important that you go through each one of these tabs and make sure you have completed everything that is under these tabs. You'll click the hyperlinks. For example, this is Unit 1's readings. All right, so every week you will have a reading assignment, and as you can see, the e-text is the beginning and intermediate algebra for this semester, this particular semester. So whatever semester you're in, this book may change, so you have to just be mindful of that. I have page numbers. I have the section that I want you to read. All right. Also, please note that you will not be able to access the ebook within WebAssign until you have purchased access to WebAssign. And we'll get to that in a few moments. WebAssign is a learning management system. You will complete all your homework assignments on this learning management system, and that also may change from semester to semester. Okay, so whatever learning management system you see here, then you just know that sometimes if you don't pay for it fully, then you don't have all of the capabilities. Please consider reading the information about Cengage Unlimited, just in case you are unaware of Cengage's offerings to reduce the price of ebooks. So make sure if you want to take advantage of Cengage Unlimited, please read this information. All right, so let's go to another tab that may be important. Another tab that is possibly important is the discussion board tab. We just talked about the discussion board. For example, you want to complete the unit 1 for this week. It is due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. However, if you want to be marked present, again, make sure you complete each one of your discussion boards weekly by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So this video here will show you how to post a thread. For example, by clicking on unit 1, and you can create a thread, for example. Okay, next important tab would definitely be WebAssign access. So here we go, over here on the left, WebAssign homework access. Please read this information. A good thing about WebAssign, if you don't have any funds to purchase the WebAssign learning management system, there is a 14-day free trial period. So really there is no excuse not to do the assignments the first week, because they give you 2 weeks free. So read this information. Please watch the videos that I have posted here. So that will help you with understanding how Cengage Unlimited works, just in case you want to take advantage of that information. Also, it will show you, based on that, how to sign up for Cengage. This is the class key to gain access to the fall 2019 class, for example. So depending on when you see this video, you should see a class key for the particular term that you're in. All right, also just some helpful tips. I definitely want you to go ahead and sign up for WebAssign. Again, it's free for 14 days beginning on the first day of class, not the day that you decide to sign up for WebAssign. So it will automatically start, the free day trial will automatically start on the first day of your class. So let's take a look at WebAssign. WebAssign, this is my view. You're gonna see this view. All right, so as you can see, it says my assignments. You're gonna see your assignments pop up over here, and what I want you to do is click on those assignments and begin working. I want you to make at least an 80 on each assignment. At least. So what does at least mean? 80 or above. Okay, so I'm giving you unlimited chances to get these answers right, but please just don't guess. Try to understand the concept so that you can do well on the midterm exam. What's nice about WebAssign is that you have a personal study plan. You have This is optional. You have the ability to go in. For example, we're going to start here, for example, and you have the option of going over quizzes and tutorials even before you do your assignment if you want to, or even as a way to study for your midterm exam the week prior to midterms to really grasp the information. You also have a textbook down here. Once you pay for WebAssign, you should have access to this textbook. All right, so again, you can open that up and begin reading each section before you attempt the homework assignments. All right, let's take a look at that homework again. For example, the first section you should see pop up here, and as you can see, what you'll do is evaluate the expression, put your answer here, submit. You even have the option of practicing another version. What's also nice is that WebAssign offers some videos, so you can read it, you can watch it, for example. So you can watch a video on that particular problem. All right, so that's it for WebAssign. You also have a quizzes and exams tab. So always make sure that you've completed each week's assignments, okay? So for Unit 1, for example, there's a syllabus quiz that you need to click on after you go through the Start Here steps and complete that assignment. And it has instructions that you need to always read before you attempt quizzes and tests. All right, so that's a good idea of all the things that you need to view and navigate through this week, first week of class. And the ebook materials are here, and also the syllabus. Make sure you go through that. Again, the most important thing is weekly assignments tab, the weekly assignments tabs. Also, I want to point out that you could view your grades here. That's also important. There's the test proctoring tab. So make sure you read that so you'll know what you need to purchase before you take the midterm exam. Okay, that is all for this video. I hope it helps you understand how the course is set up a little better.